Hey guys, I just want to give you a little update on something I did on my wife's Feelfree. This is a Lure 10. Um, Once I got it for her, she was really wanting a graph. She wasn't catching the fish I was catching because she couldn't find the drop-offs, couldn't find the humps, etc. So I got her a Helix 5. This is a down imaging, and then the problem was getting the transducer to work properly. Originally, I put it on the inside this hatch, and went up in there and mounted it the way I had seen several people say to do it. Well, it didn't work for me. I probably did it wrong. I don't know, but didn't get a good signal. You could get some 2D, but that was about it. It just didn't work good. You got no water temp, stuff like that. So I want to show you the system I come up with. Extremely simple, and it works great. So for traveling, we just bungee it up. Once she gets to the water, you fold that down. All it is a couple PVC pipe going through this side of the paddle area. So she just puts her paddle on the other side. But once she gets on the water, you slip that down, and boom, there's your transducer, perfectly in the water. Run her power cable up here to the inside. It runs inside here. The battery goes in here. Works excellent. Very, very simple. Get through fishing, swing it back up, put your bungee back on, and boom, you're done. We even haul these on a trailer when we go out of town to fish, go out of town camping. We take a second vehicle, pull these on a trailer. Bungee holes, not one single problem. So just an idea if you're wondering about options on putting your transducer on your Feelfree Lure 10. There's a simple little way to do it.